You're gonna see them in a second. I got Cincinnati, right? I will call it C right here. And from C, from Cincinnati, I'm going to Washington, right? And that travel will take me, that distance is 403 miles. From Washington, D.C., I will take another airplane, or maybe my personal jet here, and I'm traveling 714 miles, and I will reach the pretty city of Tallahassee, Florida. Never been there. Now, from here, I will go back home or back to Cincinnati, where I know my business is. All right, and that's, I know. Well, hey, we can. If you drive that airplane, if you're the pilot, you can fix that line, right? And 599 miles. The question is Cincinnati directly north of Tallahassee or not? Well, looking here at my, if you want, you can call it map, right? And this one is telling me that, if you're looking at the map, you will have some sign that will tell you where north is. May look like this, may have a different other, shape. North is right there. So I'm here in Tallahassee, and that's Cincinnati. How can I find if Tallahassee, or if Cincinnati is north of Tallahassee? Well, is the problem telling me that Washington is east of Cincinnati? No, he's not saying that, right? Where it says in the problem? Due east, okay, you're right. So you see that? They're telling me that Cincinnati to Washington, I'm going west-east, right? So now, to show that Cincinnati is north of Tallahassee, I have to show that Tallahassee is south of Cincinnati. And to be south, I need to show that this angle here is a 90-degree angle. If I can prove that from Cincinnati, Washington direction, which is due east, I have 90 degrees to get the Cincinnati, Tallahassee one. That means Cincinnati, Tallahassee will be north-south, and obviously my Cincinnati will be north of Tallahassee. How can we do that? What theorem should you apply? The converse of Pythagoras theorem, right? If the square of the longest side, if 714 squared equals the sum of the squares of the others, 403 squared plus 599 squared, then we are done, right? And because the point of this problem is not to, multiply three-digit numbers here, let's use a calculator and find out if that's the case, right? Well, we'll find out. I have what? 714 times 714. That's 509,000 and what? 796. Let's go with the next one. 403 squared. Do I have a square here? No. Multiply by 403 equals what? 162,409 plus 599 times 599 equals what? 358,801. Well, add them up. We can do it without the calculator, right? 1 plus 9. 0, 1, 12, 11, 12, 5. I have what? 521. 521,210. They're not the same. This angle here is not 90 degrees. So we may say that Cincinnati is not exactly north of Tallahassee, but it's close to being north of Tallahassee, right? And this is it.